Alright guys, we got the new GoPro in today. Just wanted to share with you. Let you see that I am trying. Got an underwater canister, USB cord, the 2 battery charger bank with 2 batteries. And I'm assuming that's for the battery box. And it's not new, it's refurbished, but I gotta start giving y'all better quality videos. Won't be so shaky. I'm trying my best to do better, guys. That's why I went ahead and ordered this. Like I said, it's not brand new, but if it'll get better quality videos, then I'm trying to help out so y'all don't get so seasick watching my old shaky retired truck driver. Alright, that's all I want to say. Thanks for watching.